Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and add 1 pound of ground chicken to a large bowl. Add 2 large eggs, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together really well. Get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spread the mixture flat across the baking sheet. You want it thin to help make it crispier. Cook it in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes or until it's golden brown and firm. Afterwards, let it rest for 5 minutes. Now set the oven to 425 degrees. Add your toppings. I used half a cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and topped it with turkey pepperonis. Then I sprinkled a bit more mozzarella on the pepperonis. Bake it in the oven at 425 degrees for 10 minutes or until your desired doneness. Let it cool a bit and it's ready. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.